Good afternoon, sir. This is Team 10. Our project is about smart ambulance dispatch. In this, we are going to see the problems faced by the ambulance during the traffic near the junctions. As you can see, there is a lot of traffic jams near the junctions. So, for the ambulance to reach in a frequent time to the hospital, we created this project. As you can see, the driver connects the Bluetooth device to the traffic signals, so he could operate the signals. Like you can see, he can operate. Now next, and we'll continue.
The system also has some existing solutions. So first one, coming to dispatch CAD systems. These are the backbone of smart ambulance dispatch, and this frequently manage emergency calls between the resources and the ambulances. And next, it also has two parts like GPS and mobile terminals, which connect the ambulance with the medical resources nearby. And one more existing solution is mobile data terminals. These enable two-way communication between the ambulance and dispatch centers. And then coming telemedicine integration, these are integrated in the smart ambulance, and then these also give the real-time update of the patients to the nearby medical services. These have some gaps. These existing solutions have some gaps. Like these systems can be easily hacked, and sometimes there will be a breakdown in the systems, and it is not efficient, and mostly it will break through. So these are some of the gaps.
Good morning everyone, I'm myself Sharanya. Now I'm going to talk about the proposed solution. The proposed solution is we have to design a product which quickly responds to the incident and communicates with the nearest traffic signal. And here the traffic signal should turn into green only in the way in which the ambulance was stuck, and the remaining should turn into red. In this we have used a Bluetooth module. With the help of that, the traffic signal should turn into green only in the way, and after the ambulance driver have crossed the junction, then the traffic signals runs as usual.
So the components used to make this project are Arduino Uno, LED lights, HM BLE Bluetooth module, which is a low energy module for wireless communication. Then we have breadboard, jumper wires. Then for creating the code, we have used Arduino integrated development environment. And this is the Bluetooth module. These are the jumper wires. This is the Arduino Uno. This is the breadboard. These are the LED traffic signal lights. And when the ambulance driver gives a command from the Bluetooth module, it goes to the Arduino Uno, which sends it to the Bluetooth module, which changes the lights of each of the traffic signals. So when one turns green, the other turns red, and when another turns green, the rest turn red, so that the ambulance could move faster.
They have 4 pins on HM10 BLE module, and VCC should be positive and should be connected to 5 volts, and GND, that is negative terminal, that should be connected to the ground of the Arduino Uno, and TXG and RXG should be connected to the 2 and 3 according to the pin. And we can see that there are 4 pins to the every signal module. They are red, green, yellow and ground. The 4 negatives should be connected to breadboard, and single ground should be connected to Arduino. And the first red and yellow should be connected to 6 and 7, and next to 8 and 9, and next to should be connected to 10 and 11, and next to will be connected to 4 and 5 according to the code. And if you give the command in Bluetooth app, if you give the command as road 1, the road 1 turns into green, and remaining should be turned into green, red color. And if you given the B command, and it should be turned to green, and remaining green should be C command, and road 3 and road 4 same as like.
Next, I will be telling about advantages and disadvantages of using Bluetooth module over other wireless communication devices. Some advantages: Bluetooth module allows faster communication between ambulance and dispatch center, reducing the response time in emergency. And disadvantage: Bluetooth has a limited range, typically 100 meters, which may not be sufficient for long distance communication between the ambulance and the dispatch center. Bluetooth, one more advantage is Bluetooth is less energy efficient, which doesn't need charging, and it will operate for long period of without frequent recharging. And one disadvantage is crowd with other devices like Wi-Fi and microwaves, leading to potential interference between the communication issues. And BLE communication, that is Bluetooth communication, will be vulnerable to hacking, and interception can be done if not properly programmed and if not properly given password. And one more advantage is relatively inexpensive, and it is more cost effective as it is cheap.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.